Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mendirang bak ke jelau Conrad ke sangma Leit Peit ya ke Jingjulor Bapher hasor Tura ki belasyak penjulor ha ke Jingaki ki Peit ba Conrad loong ba Leit Peit ya ke bebun ki Jaka bakentop ya ke office jong ke NPP ke belak syathang ha ki Peit ba Lekin tu ki Peit ba bakin jai no banwan syaka jingakran ya selok ban penbet ya ke jing bamyasung tu baro
in RML area, in and around RML, there are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, just put them on board. All the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. This will be done ASAP. Because the areas affected is not much. It's only this RML area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is RML area. जहाँ से भी करना है करो बस काम करो बस बाद में देखिए कैसे करना है क्या करना है But after 6, 7, then you can find black March. I hope you're preserved.
Everyone is okay, sir.
Nobody's injured. Please watch the situation for a couple of days again. That's the plan. For the medicines and all for the flight. Military report. Some rice, some very cold. Okay. And I just will meet the IG here, sir. You also could enjoy this. Yeah, just tell those guys on the top. Yeah, what's your name? I want to video tadi na. Adi itu yang sobrang. Amada o Turani NPP office na taurit ba? At sing lakan bijalo ko parang pulakinga. Tentang mandirang bijalo tentang biap rangko nosto ka check ka also aro NPP office ko ba tang mansa magsungin party office ko ba target ka kaya natsa na mento ko ma party ko check ka na mamung nang mani dum jatsin hindi ba dalo yung political line ng kali dalo yung NPP office ko dalo yung check ka kadi akanas ka nga mamang tabat nga kaya nagabant nga ogiza chanchiza jirangan dalo yung kodakatsin ubusan ni Kri sumba sa stikumatin. Hindi ba nga party ni mandirang na beses kunas ka? Dalo yung mandirang jirang nga nagsini party office ko suwatsin. Kaya dahil sanchina ba nga party office ko suwatsi isang NPP ko punat na magin. Hindi ba sa kanchin biya NPP de mandirang ni katungos. ini kami mamu saloba NPP ko guna tamat Jawa yo office ko ba tsaro na batirkin aro party ko ba aro black patte monge ang sing organization ko ba kin niya so many pakwa nga party with black ni ba karang na leader ang na nga so many pakwa ka nas tapos kila.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.
Skoda.